Right, let's continue on Haaland a little bit, Don, because I do think that in his whole game, and as amazing as he is, maybe in the air, that's where he can improve. I think he only scored 3 goals this season in the air. And he had 14, I looked it up last night, 14 attempts, so 14 headers, let's call it that. And only three have gone in. Maybe they were not all as easy as the one against Chelsea. And when we say easy, it looks easy. You've been in that position. It's not that easy. But at that level and that amount of talent, you expect him still to score. The first one is quite high, but still he's in a really good position to put it back down. And the second one, as you said, it seemed that he tried to hit it up when he should have hit it down. It's just, you talked about rustiness, which is fair. Maybe he's not even fully match fit. Maybe he's not even fully fit, to be honest. But that rustiness could go very quickly, right?
Oh, 1 goal. I mean, strikers and footballers in general, we thrive on being confident. Something you can't measure. We've got all the data these days, the analysis of distance covered and forward passes and unbelievable amount of data. What you can never, ever try and get hold of from a footballer's point of view is a player's confidence. You can't measure it. When you're confident, you do things instinctively.
Even the best in the world, because that's what he is.
Absolutely, yeah, because he is the best in the world. But you can see that he's snatching because he's either half a yard short on his fitness, which then you just need minutes to get through, or he just needs to hit the back of the net. Then all of a sudden, that muscle memory of coming back and confidence, you start to score more. The interesting one was when the ball got whipped in from the right-hand side. I think it was Phil Foden who chopped back and crossed one to him. I actually thought then that was a diving header. Do you remember it come across his body? And he tried to go on his stronger left foot. A confident player either takes it on his right foot, takes a chest, scores. He wanted it so desperately on his left foot because he knows that's his strongest foot. But what you got to try and remember is when you're out on the pitch at ground level, you've probably got half a second to make your mind up. When you sit at home and watch football, you go, oh, you should have done this, you should have done that.
Of course.
You've got to go into like the Rolodexes of your finishes and go, which one am I going to choose? That one in half a second. And that's like, to a footballer, that's like a lifetime.
But look, against Everton, he scored 2 goals. The first one, that reaction on the corner, and the ball comes out with his right foot scores. And then the second one, the KDB ball, and then he goes barge into Brantwaite and then 1-on-1. So I thought, okay, the rustiness. And by the way, I think that's the only game he scored in the last 4 since coming back from injury. So I thought, okay, maybe this is it now. Those 2 goals, the switch is back on, and then anyway, but do
you know, if you try and simplify it, Jules, and you've got like a battery pack on your arm, right? Low confidence, high confidence, right? When you score 2 goals against Everton, his battery level up there would have been super confident. But when you go into a game and you miss a chance, you'd be surprised how literally you could drop down a bar.
That early chance after 12 minutes against Chelsea.
You could drop down a bar. You go, still confident, I'll get another chance. Then you miss another one. And all of a sudden, for a footballer in a 90-minute game, your confidence can just erode very quickly. It's like when I used to play centre midfield, managers and players used to call it the Hollywood pass. So if you've given about 5-6 passes away, what you should do is make sure I pass from A to B and I go like that and I keep passing short and get the confidence levels up. Not bad players, but players that make bad decisions go for the Hollywood pass. Because they want to get their battery from low all the way to the top. The 60-yard ball. Let's go. It ain't going to come off. Just keep going simple. So once he gets one, that's the life and times of a foot, especially for a striker. That's what they thrive on. He'll be back. We'll sit here today and we'll criticise him because we're having a chat about him. It's a debate. He'll score 4 against Brentford. Or he'll score 3 or he'll score 2 and he'll be back to his best.
Nah,
that's how he works. That's how strikers work.